What's the meaning of Bahrain? Bahrain. Bahrain.
Bahrain. Bahrain. Bahrain is a small island country located in the Persian Gulf, and its name means, two seas, in Arabic. The name is derived from the fact that the island is surrounded by two bodies of water, the Persian Gulf to the north and the Arabian Sea to the south. Bahrain has a rich history that dates back to ancient times, as it was an important trading hub for pearls and spices. The country has a diverse population, with a mix of Arab, Persian, and South Asian peoples. Today, Bahrain is known for its beautiful beaches, thriving financial sector, and a bustling tourism industry.